I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
You need to stick around for this one.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we are at this gorgeous waterfront estate overlooking North Lagoon in Panama City Beach.
That's right.
This home has been renovated and designed to the nines. It's truly for someone with discerning taste. Gorgeous, gorgeous design elements, Venetian plaster, imported marble, antique doors, designer lighting, the list goes on. Really too much to get into in this 4-bedroom house. And the waterfront living, Heather.
The outdoor living is exactly what you're looking for. Your own private pool overlooking the lagoon with your own private dock and jet ski, boat lift. This home has every detail for unsurpassed luxury. In fact, we're just going to get out of the way and let you enjoy the video.